How to switch to your avatar to R15 to play emote in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you're going to need R15 for this. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox application. Once you're here, on the top left, go ahead and press the 3 lines, and then you want to go ahead and find your avatar section. But depending on the update on your device, if it's not here, it should be at the bottom. So go ahead and click avatar. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things. But what I want to do is on the top, I want to press customize because by default, it puts you in the marketplace. And over here on the top left now, under my little profile icon, I can see body shape. Go ahead and click on that. Then I can change my shape or anything like that. And I can also change my body size as well. Like if I wanted to increase my height or decrease my height, I could do that. And then right at the bottom, I can choose whether I want it to be R16 or sorry, R6 or R15. And right now I'm on R15, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. So you can switch that. You can switch your body size, and then you can change anything you want. And then that's it. You'll be fine. And you can also play emotes with R15.